I was where all this rubble is a dining room and a living room. I was in the dining room because I had been watching the radar, and the power went out, and I walked into the dining room, and then I heard the roar. So I jumped into the little hallway where that doorway is, and it hit. You could hear the roar, my ears popped, and debris started coming through the doorway, and I just dropped down on my knees and covered my head, and it was gone in 30 seconds. And I got up and looked around in disbelief, and the walls were gone on the other side of the house, and this side you can see is what it is now.
I was on the phone with him the whole time.
You were just sleeping in an exposed...
Well, I wasn't sleeping. I was just laying on my bed, but I continuously heard fire alarms and burglar alarms going off in the neighborhood, and kept hearing noises and debris, hoping it was my cats. And I should have gone to I didn't have time, but I should have stayed in the bathroom in here because it was not touched. What they tell you is true. Lost the frame, but it saved the picture.
What's your name?
Mary Ellen. 4'11", 95 pounds. She was 22 when she died.
And how long have you had this painting?
Well, for 38 years.
Yeah.
Well, I walked from here. I went down to visit my friend down here on the corner, and then it started raining, and then the winds picked up. And about 2 seconds later, I thought I heard a train. I said, "There's the train coming." And it's like the wind kicked up. When I looked out the window, it was too late. It was stuff flying everywhere. Couldn't get to the basement in time. It was a real mess. A little bit. When I looked out the window, that's when I got scared, because things were flying, and it's like I've never seen a tornado before, so it was a little scary, yeah. The roof is gone. The walls are falling down. To me, it's a total loss. To me, it is. You know, I don't know. He seems to think it might be fixable, and I'm not. I don't see it. The wind picked everything up, and it devastated everything in here. Everything was everywhere.